Hey guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and here I'm with ThatCarLife support, aka Redline Media. We've got my good friend Nick in his FC RX7, and we're here in the S15 at a United Servo, and we're going to do a POV drive as well. We're going to have the second GoPro with some rolling shots and stuff, so it's going to be pretty sick. All right, we're going to do a walk around. All right, so we've got the S15, Nick's FC. And Nick, your Instagram, that's Aluka Works? Aluka Works. Yeah, I always say it wrong.
I don't blame you. Even I get it wrong most of the time, and I'm the one that made it up.
Like, your FC is awesome. We got EK Civic. Bro, we got so many mad cars. Oh, DC2 Type R. Good lineup around the corner. That's hectic. Some mad S15s here as well. Bro, there's actually a mad turnout, eh? This is a really good turnout. I reckon it's gonna be like massive. I'm actually keen, eh? I reckon it'll be good. Bro, it's so weird with the GoPro on my head, eh? But look, it's like actual POV. Like,
it's actually mad.
GTIR as well. Oh, I know, right? They're going up. The S15 slammed, bro. That's mad. I like this EK. Alright guys, so they're actually going to go a bit far, so I think they were going to go to like Palm Beach or something, this group, which I don't know, it's a bit too far for us. We just want to cruise a bit like more in the area, so
I'm too old for that.
straight up. But we're still going to get mad shots of everyone leaving the servo for you guys, and we're still going to get POV footage because we're still going to go on a cruise tonight, just a smaller one. But yeah, we'll get mad shots of everyone leaving. It'll be sick. That was a bit of cheekiness right there, wasn't it?
Fucking top tier.
It's gonna be a lot of blurry number plates. All right, so pretty much what the plan is, Nick's just filling up the FC RX7 and scared ThatCarLife support. But we're gonna meet up with Angelo. I don't know what car he's got out tonight. Yeah, I don't know if he's got the 34 or the 32 GTR out.
But bet?
I'm not betting any money.
I'm guessing the 34.
Okay, I'm gonna guess the 32. As soon as you said 34, a white 34 just turned up. And here's the funny thing, guys. We're at an E85 servo, and it's basically like on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday night, I guess, or especially Friday, Saturday nights, there's just always mad cars here. It's like not even a car meet, nothing. It's just everyone just comes here to fill out E85. So if you ever want to just check out a whole bunch of really nice big power cars, just come to an E85 servo on like Friday, Saturday night. It's just packed. I don't know why I'm whispering. But yeah, we got some mad cars leaving. That was sick. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll meet up with Angelo, and then from there we'll figure out a place to cruise, and we'll do some nice POV cruising. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we meet up with Angelo. Oh, yeah, 34 oof this year. It's nice, eh?
Seriously.
I like how none of us park next to each other.
Yeah,
we just left gaps.
Distance, bro.
We just left gaps in between. We don't trust ourselves. You ready? All right, guys. So we're just leaving Elwood Car Park now, and we are going to cruise it down to the airport.
Cruising down the street
In my S15. I was going to say 6'4". Oh, I should probably be careful here. Oh, far out. As soon as I said I should probably be careful, that was a bad scrape. Oh my gosh. And that's on camera too. Oh my god. That's what happens when you lower your cars, guys.
Not everyone's
But yeah, pretty much what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna go for a cruise the way we normally cruise, right? But yeah, pretty much, guys, we're gonna go for a cruise through Brighton, through Bay Street, and we're gonna head down to the airport at Airport Krispy Kremes, where yeah, on a Friday, Saturday night, there's always a lot of really nice cars there. So hopefully there will be some nice cars there tonight as well. And yeah, we'll take you guys along for the cruise, and it should be a lot of fun. It's a random i30 with an exhaust. Nick's car is so loud. They're actually like echoed everywhere. Here comes 34 oofed on my left. Just shooting some gunshots. Oh, how cute is that dog? What's the retail on one of those? I'm intimidated. Hi.
Hi everyone, we're with ThatCarLife.
This is the inside cam of 34 oofed. Oh, it's a green light, green light.
Bye. That's actually funny.
I just shot a flame. Alright, so we're just going through Bay Street now, guys. There's a nice Evo back there I just saw. Another S15. He's got white walls on. There's always mad cars that are cruising up and down here. That's so nice. The pops. That is sick. What a dose, man. That dose will never ever get old. Alright guys, so we're just pulling into the airport spot now. So pretty much here, there's a Macca's here, Krispy Kremes, KFC. But Airport Krispy Kremes is where it's at. There's just always mad cars there. It's always popping off, so. Oh no, there's cops there, lol. And I've got a GoPro on my head. Well, the cops everywhere. I should probably take this off my head, eh? Guys, so as you can see, there's cops everywhere. So
that guy over.
So basically, we just put the GoPro on ThatCarLife support's head, just so no cops see me driving around with a GoPro on my head.
I don't know how you do this.
So we might have to sack KKs.
Hey.
What?
No, I said hi to the fucking guy.
So yeah, there's no parking at KK's, and it's full of cops. See, normally at KK's you might have to get there a bit later when they actually close. But yeah, we'll see how we go.
Hi. Anyway, there's no spots. Just follow Jordan. I've got no idea where we're going. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Alright guys, so we didn't have that much luck with airport KK's today. As you guys could see, it was completely full and full of cops. So, yeah, and even the rest was all full as well. So we're gonna head down to another popular spot, which is Taren Point Macca's. It's a very popular cruise destination for car enthusiasts in Sydney. This is our second Bay Street run for the night. Just happened, man. Yeah, I was waiting at the lights at Brighton to turn onto Grand Parade, but there was just cops everywhere. There was a cops at the set of lights on the left, and then this Lexus IS200 turns around the corner and he goes, cops, cops, and there was a highway patrol right behind him. Like, so I quickly just took off the GoPro head strap just because obviously it looks a bit weird, and I don't want to like bring any like unnecessary attention. But yeah, so I just put it back on now, and yeah, you guys could see that was crazy. Bro, he was full. Yeah, bro, he's still trying to race me. Another S15. Oh, I just shot a big flame, I just felt it. The RX-7 looks so good rolling. That's a nice tracer. All right, guys. So there's some better cars here compared to airport. Paul, I'm doing a POV. We went to airport, bro. There's cops everywhere.
Really? What are you doing? Just kicking it here?
Yeah, we're just gonna kick it here. But I was hoping to see. I knew I'd bump into you, bro. 100%.
Well, I'm going airport way, so if you end up there later on,
We'll probably see you later. All right, see you, man.
drive safe.
You too, bro. Proper reversing skills. Bro, it's like full muscle cars coming. Alright guys, so when you finish a cruise, you have to celebrate with a feed. We're having a fat Macca's feed right now. Look at this. We've got a Mech chicken. I never normally eat Mech chickens, but I'm having one now.
Wait, not both of these are mine.
ThatCarLife support?
I've got some mozzarella sticks. I've got a fat McChicken. I was about to call it chicken and cheese, but there is no cheese in here.
Oof, what have you guys got?
Okay, we have 10 nuggets with sweet and sour sauce.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look close up on that.
Yeah.
Damn. That's aesthetic. What'd you get, Andrew?
Oh, this burger is just bread, meat, and bread.
Bread, meat, and bread. Wow. That's the next level. What'd you get, Nick?
Food.
What food? Well, I'm keen. Hey guys, so I'm just finishing editing the video and I totally forgot to do an outro, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Honestly, I go to a lot of meets and cruises and stuff like this pretty much every week, and I have a lot of fun and I always want to film, but for some reason I always don't end up filming. But I want to give a big shout out to Mems or Tuner's Evolution. I'll link his channel up here and in the description as well. We go to a lot of meets and cruises together, and he actually filmed one of the last ones that we went to, and it was such a cracker night, and he made a cracker video of it as well. And I'll link link the video up here. There's legit POV content of a 2J swapped S15. But that's why I decided to film the next cruise I went on. And yeah, shout out to Mems for, you know, inspiring me to actually pick up the camera when I go for a cruise. So yeah, if you guys do enjoy this kind of content, as I said, I do go on lots of cruises and stuff all the time. So if you want to see more of it, let me know down below and I'll pump out some more of these kind of videos. And before I finish the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone for all the love and support on the channel that you guys have been showing. We just hit 3,000 subscribers, which is crazy. Like, I am so like ecstatic that we hit 3K subs. Like, it's such a massive milestone for me. And yeah, I'm gonna celebrate by organizing a 3,000 subscriber car meet. So yeah, when I do announce the meet, I'll announce it on my Instagram, which I'll put right here. So yeah, stay tuned, give it a follow, and yeah, I'll let you guys know and keep you posted on when we're gonna do the ThatCarLife meet. All right, guys, so I'll leave the video there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on ThatCarLife.